In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add rows in Google Sheets from new Freshdesk tickets. For this, we have to select Freshdesk as our trigger. Then, click on New Ticket as a trigger event. To connect Freshdesk, we are using the existing connection. Then, click on Link an Account. In Steps, we have to add data into Google Sheet. For that, we have to select Google Sheets in Steps. Then select Add Row as action. To connect Google Sheet, we will use the existing connection again. Then click on Link an Account. Now we have to select the spreadsheet. Select particular sheet. Now we have to add data from Right App Tree. Right App Data. As we are ready with our journey, click on Save Changes and then Start Journey. Now to check our output, go to Freshdesk, create a new ticket, add user details, then add subject, add description, then click on Create to create this ticket. Now we have to go back to our journey to check journey execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Sheets. We can see a new row has been added as per the Freshdesk ticket details. In this way, we can build an automation journey to add rows in Google Sheet from new Freshdesk tickets. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.